Large language models, LLMs, are advanced computer programs designed to understand and generate human language. They are built using a type of artificial intelligence called machine learning, specifically a branch called deep learning. Here's a detailed explanation in simple terms. How LLMs work. 1. Training data. LLMs are trained on vast amounts of text data from books, articles, websites, and other written material. This helps them learn the structure, grammar, and nuances of language. 2. Neural networks. These models use neural networks, which are computing systems inspired by the human brain. The networks have layers of interconnected nodes, neurons, that process the input data. 3. Learning patterns. During training, the model learns patterns in the text. For example, it learns that certain words often appear together and the rules of grammar. This process is called training the model. 4. Fine-tuning. After the initial training, the model can be fine-tuned on specific data sets to improve its performance in particular tasks, like answering questions or translating languages. Key concepts. 1. Parameters. These are the internal settings of the model that get adjusted during training. Large language models have millions or even billions of parameters, which allow them to capture complex language patterns. 2. Context. LLMs understand context, meaning they can keep track of what has been said in a conversation or a piece of text, allowing them to generate more relevant and coherent responses. 3. Generative models. These models can generate new text based on the patterns they've learned. For example, if you give an LLM a sentence, it can continue writing a paragraph that makes sense. Applications. 1. Chatbots and virtual assistants. LLMs power chatbots like chatgpt, which can have conversations with users, answer questions, and provide information. 2. Content creation. They can help generate articles, stories, and other written content, assisting writers by providing suggestions or even drafting entire pieces. 3. Translation. LLMs can translate text from one language to another, making communication across languages easier. 4. Summarization. They can summarize long documents, extracting key points and making information easier to digest. Code generation. LLMs can help programmers by writing code snippets or even entire programs based on natural language descriptions of what the code should do. Benefits. 1. Efficiency. LLMs can handle large amounts of data quickly, making tasks like document analysis and information retrieval faster. Accessibility. They make technology more accessible by providing human-like interactions, which can be especially useful for people with disabilities. 3. Creativity. They can assist in creative tasks by generating new ideas and content. Challenges. 1. Bias. Since LLMs learn from existing text, they can sometimes reflect and amplify biases present in the training data. 2. Accuracy. They can sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical responses, especially if the input is ambiguous or outside their training scope. 3. Ethics. The ability to generate convincing text raises concerns about misinformation and the misuse of technology for harmful purposes. In summary, large language models are powerful tools that can understand and generate human language, making them useful in a wide range of applications. However, it's important to be aware of their limitations and use them responsibly.